How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Instagram does not let you delete chats from both sides, so what you can do is open your Instagram and go to your messages. Right here, I have a friend of mine, so if I want to delete a chat with him, what I would normally do is just long press on the chat and click on delete. This is what you don't want to do. So you don't do this because this will only delete this chat from your side. So in order to delete chat from both sides, what you need to do is change your account to a professional account. So in order to do that, just tap on this hamburger menu to open settings. Scroll down until you find account type and tools. Tap on it and tap on switch to professional account. Just keep tapping on continue. Here, select the type of account you want to have and click on done. Once you do this, you choose creator or business. You can choose whatever you want right now. And after you do that, you should be switched to a professional account. As you can see, now I have a professional dashboard. That means my account has been changed to a professional account. So if I again go back to my chats, I can filter my inbox messages from here as well. So long press on this chat, and if I want to delete, just tap on this select option right here. You can select your chats that you want to delete and just tap on delete here, and your chats should be deleted from the both side. And that's how you delete Instagram chats from both sides permanently. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.